Hello everybody, it's Connie Stewart with SimplySimpleStamping.com. Thank you guys so much for joining me for today's Tuesday tip. We're going to have a little fun today. Hey, I love to give cash as a gift because it's kind of the perfect gift, right? But you know, just something a little boring about just throwing some cash in an envelope. Look what we're going to create today. Let me show you that. Isn't this fun? I have created a really fun card and I used dollar bills. Now you can use dollars, fives, tens, 20s. Hey, if you're really generous, make it a couple hundreds. But this is a really fun way to give the gift of cash, whether it be for maybe a wedding gift or Valentine's Day. We're going to take that bill, we're going to turn it into a little heart. Again, just a fun way to give the gift of cash. Are you ready to learn how to create that? Okay, let's get started. I think this is such a fun way to give cash as a Valentine or wedding gift. And they were really fun to make. My friend Irene taught me how to make these. So I'm going to share it with you. So you're going to take a dollar bill, any amount, of course, that you want to give. Now, when you create the hearts, you can choose which design you want to be on top. When I do this folding, I do like a nice crisp bill. I just think it's a little bit easier to work with. So go to your bank and just ask them for a crisp bill. Now I'm just going to fold it in half and then I'm going to open it up. And now I'm going to fold the ends to that line there in the middle. So that's really just going to act as a guide to make sure I know where the middle of my bill is. All right, we're going to flip the bill over and now we are going to fold. See that center line, that center crease that we made there? We're going to use that and we're going to fold our corners. So the right and left corner are going to go right to that fold. We're now going to take this area here and we're going to bring it down so that it's kind of lining up here with these edges. Now this is where it can get just a tiny bit tricky, but trust me, you're not going to ruin anything. But we do want to kind of get these little corners here on the sides, and we want to flatten them down. So about like so. And I will tell you, as I've done this, sometimes they go down really nice, other times they don't. It's just fine. We're going to hide that. Now, up here by the 20, we're going to take these little tiny corners and we're going to fold these down. Guess what? After we do this, we're done. Can you believe it? See, it really is a pretty simple little fold. So that, not so pretty. But that side, yeah, that's looking like a heart. I think it turned out really cute. Now, I want to show you, if you want to do your the opposite side of the bill, look at this. I can simply just flip that around. And there it is with the other side showing. I want to go ahead and bring in my original card so that you can see. I punched these hearts from the From My Heart Specialty Designer Series paper. And when I adhered these, see, I don't want them to hurt my bill. First of all, I want you to see how easy it was for me to remove those from my card. I simply added adhesive to my card and then I tapped it a little bit to remove some of the sticky so that when I put these on, it's enough to hold it in place, but of course we don't want to tear our precious bills. That would not be good. But yes, comes off very easy. I did the exact same thing with those punched hearts, and you can see my dollar bills come off very easily. Again, adhesive. I de-stickified it just enough so that I can still put it here on my bill, but it can easily be removed. So again, just a fun way to give cash, whether that be for the bride and groom, whether that be for the grandkids or the kids on Valentine's Day. It's a really fun way to give cash versus the same old, and who doesn't appreciate cash on Valentine's Day? Hey guys, I hope that that tip was helpful to you today. I hope that you enjoyed that. This is really just a fun and unique way to give cash and make it just a little extra special. And hey, it's still got a little bit of that paper crafting feel to it. Am I right? Really fun card. And as I said, guys, this, you're not damaging those dollar bills at all. So it's going to be easy for the recipient to take that off and enjoy the cash. All right, well listen, if you want to find out more details about today's card, I even have the written instructions how to fold the bill. Let me tell you where you can find that information. Head over to simplysimplestamping.com, look for the January 7th, 2020 blog post. That's where I'll have the pictures of the card. As I said, I will have the written instructions how to fold the bill and just all the supplies that I used on the card. So if you want to create the card this way, you'll see a complete supply list there. And if you'd like to order any of the supplies I used on my card, so easy. Click a pic. It'll take you right to my online store and you can order what you need right there. Thank you again, everyone, for joining me today. I hope today's Tuesday tip was a fun one for you. If you enjoyed it, would you give me a thumbs up on YouTube? I would really appreciate that. And hey, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, today's a great day to do that. Just click that great big red subscribe button and YouTube will let you know whenever I'm back with a new video. Thanks again for being here. Make it a fabulous day, everybody. I look forward to stamping with you again soon. Bye-bye.